Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for another video. If you're new to my channel, I'm Laura. The white puppy dog is Wyatt, the brown puppy dog is Xena, and we try to bring you a video each and every day. I am on the floor because today is all about the sidekicks. Not one, but two BarkBox videos for you today. All right, so BarkBox is a subscription for dogs. $20 or $21, I think it is, a month for Wyatt size. It comes with 2 bags of treats, an extra treat, as well as 2 toys. You can always do add-ons. They do have specials for whenever it's your dog's birthday. So lots of fun. They have amazing, creative, themed boxes. I will put my link down below in case you want to give it a try. And let's dig into their boxes. I have April's and May's. I'm not sure which one is which, but we're going to find out. All right, who's ready for BarkBox? Who's ready? Who's ready for BarkBox? What do you think, YY? I've got 2 of them, Xena. It's half open, Y. All right, so what is the theme? It is, oh, I like it. Galapagos, am I saying that right? Tales of the Tropics. Galapagos, there we go. Galapagos, Tales of the Tropics. Wyatt's already got the first treat out. This is adorable. This is Jones Natural Chews. This is a beef, a beef trachea. I hear you. Kind of grosses me out, but I guess good for dogs. All right. Hey. We're going to get to it, precious. Wyatt has all the toys out now and is having fun. So this is adorable. It says, dive into the magical world of Galapagos, where the seals bark back and the tortoises are as old as your favorite tennis ball. There are countless incredible animal friends to make. But don't worry, dogs, you don't have to share your treats. Well, actually, what they do, They have to share with each other. These are all the many little toys that you could have gotten in your box for this month. And this month is what? Do I know? Does it tell me? I actually don't think I do know which one this is. Probably May's, I'm thinking. So I might have opened them backwards. All right, so these are adorable. Santiago seal, that's the seal, and Culpepper penguin. See the penguin there? So cute. Baltra batfish. It says, I'm single and ready to mingle. Look at the lips on him. Is that not so cute? All right, but we got the BB Booby. That's adorable. That is so cute. The BB Booby. So how White's biting me. I have to fix the camera. So that is adorable. Let me cut the tag off for you, buddy. Hold, Wyatt, hold. He's very excited. Hold. I know. He's very excited. Very excited. Okay. There you go. Go ahead. Out. Okay, so BB the Booby is a squeaker, whip and flip limbs, and crazy crinkle. It says the blue-footed boobies' famous feat comes from their diet of fresh fish. The squeakers and crinkle, though, that's from us. That's adorable. All right, so he's not looking. Oh, he already took the tag off the other one. Look how cute. That is adorable. This one is Sally Bitefoot Crab. Oh, that one has a big loud squeaker, and it has crinkles too and little rope. What's the matter, Z? Are you not getting any attention? Come on in. And you guys can't even see Wyatt, who is having all kinds of fun here on the floor. Okay, so it says this one has a t-shirt rope, which you can see there a little bit, and crazy crinkle. It says, did you know Sally Lightfoot's crabs are famous for their agility, able to jump from rock to rock and run in 4 directions. Tug on their stretchy t-shirt rope legs and watch them dance. Oh, they move. Is that not cute? Did you see this one? Did you see it? Did you like that? You keep getting out of camera. Zena, you keep getting out of camera. Come here. Shh. Shh. All right. Come here. Come here. All right, here. Okay, so this first treat was Oinky Jerky Sticks pork recipe with apples. So they're nice and long, so I was able to split that with them. Packed with USA pork chewy jerky with apples for dogs of all sizes. Break off the right size and bite for your bark. You want more? Did you like that? What? Let's see what the other one is, okay? Because we still have another box to do. You're going to be so excited. So this one is Baba Jerky Sticks lamb recipe. It says lots of lamb, chewy jerky, no grains added. That's this one. And what does this one look like? Zena's all about the treat. She's gone off in her corner. You coming back for more? This one looks very similar. It's a little bit thicker, I think. All right, sit. Good girl. Good girl. Wyatt, good boy. Wyatt's sitting too. All right, I think that was everything inside here. So 2 bags of treats, the extra treat, and the 2 toys, which you guys saw. And, all right, let's do the second one, Wyatt. This is adorable. All right, they're quiet now because we have treats. Let's see. Oh, this one's Bark Fist in Bed. I love it. Bark Fist in Bed, Wyatt. That is adorable. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, it's a breakfast burrito. Is that not adorable? Wyatt's going to want it. I'll hurry and cut this off so you can see what it is. Zena's still eating her treat that I gave her. This is so adorable. So it opens. The egg opens. It's got a squeaker inside. These all come unattached. I'm going to leave them for now. But these detach. And then it makes a cute little breakfast burrito. I love it. Is that not so creative, Zena? And these all detach into 3 separate toys. Okay, Wyatt. All right, it says the Frenchie Omelet dog toy. There you go. And it says it's got 2 squeakers, crazy crinkle. It's a multi-part toy. Keep playtime cooking with 2 squeaky pieces tucked in a crinkly omelet wrapper. Kick the recipe up a notch by hiding a treat inside for your pup to snuffle. Oops, that's a typo for your pup to souffle. That is adorable, Zena. Adorable. Okay, the other treat other toy while he's not looking is the Bark Stuffin' Muffin. Is that not adorable? Wyatt's going for treats now, Zena. Would you get in this video, please? Thank you. Are you going to get the treats out yourself? All right. Hey. It says the Stuffin' Muffin is a squeaker, crazy crinkle. Give this toy a toss. Hey. You just had 2 treats. Give this toy a toss or hide a treat underneath the crinkly wrapper. Come. No. All right, I'll read it in a minute. Let's do a treat. Quacky pot pies. She knows how to get her way, right? Like, she'll just bark at me until she gets a treat. These are Quacky Pot Pies, duck recipe with veggies. That's interesting. Let me hurry up and read this before she comes back. So this is a crinkled outer wrapper in this one. So how cute is that? And then it has the squeaker in the middle. And it says, hide a treat underneath the crinkly wrapper and treat your dog to their favorite flavor, besides puppy seed, of course. So that, does this, oh, it does. You can hide stuff inside there. How cute is that? They think of everything. That is adorable. It's all wet now. Thank you, Wyatt. All right, the extra treat is Superstar Sticks chicken flavor. So those look good. And the last treat in here is the Clucky Jerky Links chicken recipe. So we had the Quacky, and now we have the Clucky. Do you want to see these two, little miss? These were adorable. Oh, I know. Hey. All right, that's it. No more treats for you two. Let me show what this one looks like first. That's what it looks like. Okay, come over here. All right, I loved it. These are some of the other toys you could have gotten. Look at this, Sploot Loops. Fresh squeezed OJ. Donut box, how cute was that? Oh, the puppy side up egg. Bego waffles, frosted socks. Oh, I love it. And the lickin' links. This is adorable. It says, rise and shine. It's a brand new day of zoomies, zigzag walks, and the most perfect stinky kisses of your life. We whipped a spread of squeaky toys and tasty treats to satisfy your pup's playtime appetite. So instead of munching on your slippers, here's a breakfast in bed they can really sink their teeth into. And it's why it's sneaking treats out. All right, that's everything. I hope you enjoyed their bark boxes for this time. They are so silly. They have a sloppy latte too. That was another treat you could have gotten. I love it. Is that not adorable? All right, that is a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this. Wyatt has made everything all wet now. I'll put the link to BarkBox down below. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love you to hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. And if you have already, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everybody. Bye-bye.